When using remote control, a central feature is the ability to group devices by certain functions. So, what is a group? Let's take a look at an example. Let's say we want to create a master mute button for the entire system. First, we must create a group that contains all channels of the system. Then, a mute button can be assigned to this group, which then applies to all of its channels and therefore to the entire system. Adding and editing groups and populating them with channels is performed in the Groups view. This view is also divided into two sections. The left-hand side shows the group tree. This allows to create a hierarchy of multiple groups so that the functions assigned to them can apply to parts of the system, such as all subwoofers only, or the whole system. The right-hand side gives us a list of all available channels in the project. If nothing else is configured, the group tree initially only consists of one group. Let's rename it to All Amps. Now, let's create a subgroup to this group. Select All Amps and click the plus group button. The keyboard shortcut for this operation is Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows PCs or Command-Shift-N on Mac OS. Again, find a meaningful name for this new subgroup that will help you navigate your hierarchy. You can add as many groups in parallel to or below other groups as needed. The key is to find a meaningful hierarchy that reflects the required functional partition of your system, such as tops and subs. With all desired groups in place, we need to populate them with channels. To do that, select a group on the left, then select the desired amplifier channel or multiple channels on the right and click Add to Group. You can also drag and drop. Removing channel assignments or groups is also easy. Just highlight what needs to go and click Remove, or use the Delete key on your keyboard. To check whether a channel has already been assigned to one or more groups, just select this channel in the channel list and click the Highlight Group button. All groups containing this channel will be highlighted on the left. The channels of signal engine devices are displayed in additional tabs and can be handled in the same way as amplifier channels. Once the group tray is populated, functions can be assigned to individual groups. All functions propagate to all subgroups of the group they are assigned to. And this, assigning functions, is what we are going to do next.